In this short tutorial, you will learn how to block unwanted emails on Gmail using your mobile device. Blocking unwanted emails can help you keep your inbox clutter-free and prevent spam messages from bothering you. To get started, open up the Gmail app, and then tap on the email that you want to block. Then tap on these three little dots. Tap exactly here. Now you'll see an option to block. So go ahead and tap Block. Once you've done this, you won't receive any more emails from that sender in your inbox. By following these simple steps, you can easily block unwanted emails on Gmail and keep your inbox free of spam and unwanted messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.